Ladies and gentlemen, today I just took delivery of these two. I've got West Country Lupin mixed seeds, this is the Chelsea special. I've got Sutton's pollinators, Russell Lupins. I'm going to be sowing them both in the same tray to see which one germinates best, then growing them on. So first of all, the Russell instructions. You can see sow from late March to September, required 2 to 3 millimeters deep in any general seed compost. Soak overnight. I never bother with that. So let's just get these first. The Russell ones. I've got 20 in here. I'm using a multi-purpose compost which has got a high peat content. So first of all, let's have a look at the seeds. That's it. All out. Can you see them? Right, good quality seeds then. So, right, spread them out. It can take quite a long time to germinate some of them, so when some of them have germinated, don't automatically think, oh, that's it. Leave your tray for like up to 3 months, I would say, because you might get some more germinating when you finish pricking out. That's it, nicely done. And then that's it, everything out of that one. Now the Russell ones. Nearly there. Look at these. These are more uniform, these. As you can see, I don't think that'll make any difference to how well they germinate. Hopefully not. Nearly done. I'm going to be growing every one of these until they flower, so you'll be able to follow them all the way from seed sowing to germination right through to flowering. So after you've done that, this is some compost that I've sterilised in the microwave, just trying to keep the bacteria down. It's taking such a long time to germinate. So just 2 to 3 mil of sieve compost. Nearly there. Also, they want to be in the shade, these, not in direct sunlight. Right, give them a good water, like I normally do, in the sink from the bottom, and then I'll be covering them with this. I find it just a lot easier than cling film to take on and off. So that's my 2 packets of seed, one from Suttons, one from West Country Lupins. So let's see what germinates first. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.